Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the XDeep extra large weight pockets. So these are a way of putting integrated weights onto your sort of side, not your side mount, your backplate and wing system. They're made out of tough materials. You get a separate pouch, which helps sort of prevent the lead from like leaching out and damaging our waters. And yeah, everything about it is made just that little bit better. It's got a really high build quality, they're really tough, and they're quite practical as well. So you get a pair of them, obviously. The only difference is that one comes with a D-ring. So traditionally that should go on your left-hand hip. That's where your SPG should be sort of clipped off onto. But if you want to put that on the right, that's up to you. Just looking at one of them, so starting at this end, so we've got this tab which has a bolt and a nut on it. So that's going to be sort of attached onto your backplate or some other kind of attachment system. So that way it's really strong and secure. It's not going to slide off. It's not going to move around, and that is really sort of reinforced and tough. They've got big old sort of grommets on that. Attaching it onto your system, you've got these two sort of webbing loops to thread that 2-inch band through. So that's going to keep it attached onto your waistband. Flipping it around, looking at the main section. So the quick release mechanism is a pinch clip. So it's not going to sort of accidentally get sort of discharged. You really do have to physically sort of think about it and unclip that. And then once that's taken out of the way, then you get the main pouch itself. We'll take a closer look at that in a second. But then in the top, you may, looking at the main section, big open section, so it's really easy to get your lead in and out. And this little pinch clip is actually on Velcro, so if you don't have quite so much, you can sort of shorten it, and that just makes it a little bit neater and tidier. So looking at the pouch itself, so you've got a grab handle on that to really sort of grab hold of it, carry it around and ditch it if you need to. You've got a zippered closure, so the zipper just opens up the top, and then inside they say you can fit about 6 kilos, which I would definitely agree with. You can fit plenty of lead in that, so about 12 kilos in total. It's just a big open space. There's nothing fancy inside of there, but the material itself is nice and tough, so the lead's not going to damage it. And the way they've done the seals, if you're not using coated lead, then you don't have to worry about that lead kind of leaching out into the water. It kind of keeps it all contained to try and protect the environment. Quick to sort of stow it away, especially when you've got lead inside, you've got something to push against, and then clip it down, and you're ready to go diving. So it's a really cool sort of quick way to attach sort of lead quick release pockets onto your sort of BCD set. So instead of using a separate waist belt or a weight belt, sorry, you can attach these, and then it's all in your BCD. It's all on your sort of unit. You can take it off and the weight goes with it. You can quick release it as well. Quick and easy. These are the XDeep weight pockets extra large. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.